Years ago, a gentleman came to me and asked to be mentored. In course of our conversation, he said, I practice gratitude towards my mother every day. After some time, I asked him, why do you practice gratitude every day? You must really be angry with her. Are you? The man fell completely silent. He did not have an immediate answer for that question. He requested me if he could take some time and reflect upon this question. I said, definitely take a walk and come back. After a long walk, he came back and said, your question pushed me into seeing an uncomfortable truth, a truth that I have never seen before. Throughout my childhood and youth, my mother pushed me towards success, towards excellence. She was tough, harsh, demanding, never ever pleased with whatever I achieved. Today, I am a successful businessman. I know I have to be grateful to her for who I am today. If not for a push, I will not be this successful. And this is the precise reason why I practice gratitude. Now let us look at the story of this man. On the one hand, his conscious mind is fed with all the values that says he should be grateful. While on the other hand, his actual experience is the emotions of anger, hate, and ingratitude that he is experiencing from the unconscious. He does not want to recognize anger, hate, ingratitude because he is not supposed to feel those emotions. If he feels them, he is not a good human being. He is only supposed to feel grateful, and hence he is a divided human being within. That is why he is trying to practice gratitude every day so that he can feel nice about himself. I would say, begin your journey recognizing what exactly you're feeling. Know this: gratitude cannot be cultivated forcefully as an attitude. It has to be an awareness that has to grow in you. It is an awareness that you exist because of everyone's contributions. Without them, you are not. As this awareness of all the people who have played an important role in your life grows in you, then there is a spontaneous arising of gratitude within you. To nurture this awareness would be a magnificent way to awaken the state of gratitude within you. For most people in the world, gratitude has become like a cheap habit of continually saying thank you, because that is what you ought to do, and that is how you are expected to be. Do not also make it into a compulsion, a kind of guilt-driven exercise, where you say, I have to be grateful, I have to be grateful. You do not have to feel anything. There is no compulsion in this universe that you have to feel something. That is a new prison you are creating for yourself in the name of spirituality. Grow. Grow in your awareness of how life as a movement is flowing into you. So many people are contributing to your well-being. In this awareness, gratefulness will make you into a responsible human being. A responsible human being who is driven towards action. Action that will create a difference around you. Action that will make the world around you more beautiful. That to me would be gratitude.